Hey guys, Tyrion over here, and today I'm going to show you how to have Virtual Desktop stop being the auto-selected microphone for when you're playing Quest 2 and Quest 3 for the voice mod. So first, what you're going to want to do is go down to Sounds, and you'll see that when you try to select this, it'll auto-select back if your VR headset's already activated. Mine's not currently connected right now, but what you're going to want to do is go to the Virtual Desktop Streamer, go to Options, click Auto-Selected Microphone, and disable that. Then click this microphone. Then in here, you'll go to settings and then have this selected, but I'm currently not having it selected so that you can hear me. And then what you're going to want to do, go to Steam, click right here, click settings, go to voice, go to here where it says voice input device, and then select voice mod virtual audio device. And that's all. Now your microphone should stop being selected to this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and have a great day.